Welcome guys to the portrait drawing session. Let's begin.
This is a reference picture that we are going to be using. So for any portrait, the most important thing is to capture the mood of the portrait and the expressions. And our expressions on the face are mostly governed by the eyebrows and the expression of the eyes, and also by the movement of our lips, right? Firstly, we are going to start with the basics. The majority of this picture, as you can see, is being taken by the structure of the face, the neck and the shoulder. So we are going to start with the face. For this face particularly, you can see that this lady has an oval face. Types of faces can be heart shape, diamond shape, apple shape, oval shape. This is the oval shape that I was talking about. Then you can have like an egg shape, like an inverted egg, where the top is wider than the bottom. So this will be your chin and this will be your head. I'm going to be drawing a diamond shape. I'll leave 4 finger space from the bottom of the paper, and I'm going to make a point over here where our chin will be. I am also going to leave a 3 finger space on the top and mark a point here, because we have to leave some space for the head also. Also, please make sure that you are leaving at least 3 finger space on both the sides to draw the ears and the hair. Now we want a straighter forehead like this, and then we want somewhat diagonal sides of the face. Next we are going to draw the neck. Many people like to draw the neck like that beneath the face. This is the wrong way. Necks are never straight, they are curved. I am imagining a semicircle at the bottom and drawing the neck. Now this lady has a round neckline, so I am going to replicate that on my sheet. And then I am going to draw the shoulders. Start from the end of the neck, draw a slope that goes down. Repeat that on the left side. Moving on to the hair. If you are making a girl, there are many options. You can draw straight hair down the back, or you can draw short hair just ending below the ears. You can even draw a ponytail. Now, how would a ponytail go? You will draw the hair on the head. This is your ponies starting and going like this. Alright, for my portrait, the lady in the picture has a head tied up in a bun. So I will mark a point 2 fingers above the head. I will start from the side of the face and I will give it a round shape. Next thing, we are going to draw the ears at this point. Now ears are drawn like the letter C, but not exactly a rounded shape. A slightly more curved shape at the top and flatter shape at the bottom. We are going to start from the end of the hair. Now this lady is not wearing any earrings, but I would want my portrait to have earrings. Again, you can show some texture inside the ear, and like I said, I'm going to do a ponytail. I'm going to draw the starting of the ponytail here. From the center of the chin to the center of the forehead, you have to draw a straight line. This will be your guiding line, so don't put too much pressure on the sheet because we have to rub this later. This is just a guiding line. We will be erasing this later on. This is the axis of the face, wherein we will be taking this as a guiding line for drawing the nose and the lips. Now we will be drawing the guiding line for the eyes. You need to find the center of this line. See, if I am measuring it like this, take the center of this line, move 2 fingers above this center. If this is the center, take 2 fingers above and join it with the sides of the face. This line will be slightly curved because if you have noticed, faces are always in a curved form. To give it a more 3D shape, I am drawing this line slightly curved. So eyes can be of different types. Some people have normal almond shaped eyes or leaf shaped eyes, as you can see. Second type is, some people have cat-like eyes, more diagonal, in this shape. Some people have sort of puppy eyes. So puppy eyes are more droopy. By droopy I mean they are shaped like an inverted U shape. Then of course, upon everything, we have the eyelid. And for lashes, you can choose to have scanty lashes. You can choose to have huge, heavy eyelashes. Or you can just have some at the end like this. Like I said, I'm going for cat eyes. I'm going from the center of this line. I'm going to take 1 finger space. I'm going to determine a small point. Then from the side of the face, I'm going to take 1 finger space. I'm going to draw another point, and similarly for the other side as well. Then eyelids. I want really thin eyelids, so I'm going to draw a double line over this. Now I'm going to show you the different types of eyebrows. Now depending on what kind of expression you want to capture on the face, there are different types of eyebrows. If you want a surprised expression, they are more rounded. Maybe I'll show it on the face itself. And a surprised expression would look like this. Slightly higher eyebrows, like the person is exclaimed. Or we can have a normal expression, just a curved line like this. You can have an angry expression like this, where the eyebrows are pointing towards the nose and they are more slanted than usual. But the eyebrows are never drawn just as a curved line. They are always thicker towards the nose and they go thin as they move towards the side of the face. This shape. So whatever expression you are choosing to draw, make sure that the eyebrow is always shaped thicker towards the nose and thinner towards the side of the face. Now we are going to draw it on the sheet. Then leave some space from the eyebrow because we are going to draw the nose now. Now you have your basic L-shaped nose. This is your L-shaped nose with a curve shaped like an inverted C to show the sides of the nose. You have two capital C's with a U shape in between. You have two sides of the nose along with nostrils. So you can draw these type of different noses. I'm going to combine the L shape and this one. So I'm going to draw a nose like this. Next I'm going to teach you how to draw lips. For lips also, this guiding line that we had drawn, we are going to use that as the center of our lips. We are going to draw a slight bow-like curve. Then we are going to draw the upper lip and the lower lip. This is your normal smiley face. If you want to give your lips more shape, draw the middle line. Go for this kind of shape for the upper lip and draw the lower lip like this. If you want an open mouth, start with the basic central line, double it because we are going to show an open line or open mouth, and then draw the upper lip and the lower lip. There are many variations to lips. For example, you can make a shape, small V shape in the center to give it a more realistic feel. Totally up to you what you want to do. I'm going to leave one finger space below the nose. Going to mark a point. I'm going to do these type of lips. After you are done with everything, you are going to erase the guiding line that was there to help you out. Just the cross that we had drawn in the middle of the face, the axis that I had told you that I was drawing only for my guidance. You can just erase that. And our portrait is ready.